Here are 4 more major developments planned for Montego Bay. Number 1. The University of the Commonwealth Caribbean is planning to develop what they have dubbed a university town in Montego Bay. They have estimated that the cost of the development will be approximately US $20 million. The university town will include technical and vocational training facilities, student residences, a public library, creative arts facilities, banks, government agencies, restaurants, and shopping spaces. So far, they have already started the process to acquire 30 acres of land located in Ironshore, Montego Bay. They plan on breaking ground after their listing on the Jamaica Stock Exchange in 2022. Number 2. There is a plan on the way to build a new University of the West Indies Western Campus at the Barnett Tech Park in Fairfield, Montego Bay. This means that it will be close to the Montego Bay Perimeter Road, specifically the Montego Bay Bypass. The University of the West Indies Western Campus will be extending their program offerings to include business process outsourcing, hospitality, and management studies. Number 3. The Urban Development Corporation is currently working on plans to construct an Oceanarium in Montego Bay, St. James, the first of its kind in the region. According to Britannica, an Oceanarium is a saltwater aquarium for displaying marine animals and plants, particularly oceanic or pelagic fishes and mammals. The Oceanarium will serve as a center for public entertainment, education, and scientific study. The plan is to complement the development of Harmony Beach Park with other waterfront developments. This is in an effort to create sustainable public spaces and climate-resilient infrastructure, all of which is a part of the UDC's focus in 2021-2022. And number 4. The construction of the Sangster International Airport runway expansion started this year and is slated to end by 2022. It is projected to cost approximately US $70 million. Funding for the project comes from the Airport Improvement Fund. They are extending the runway by about 3 kilometers. This is all in an effort to increase safety and to allow for the airport to be able to accommodate larger aircrafts. They have begun the process of acquiring land so that they can realign the roadway. They will also be expanding the terminal building and making it more modern. Also to note is that in February of 2020, they started the process of extending the departure lounge and retail area. So this is just a few of the future developments planned for Montego Bay. I do have a development in Mobe playlist, and you can have a look at that playlist if you're interested in seeing other projects planned for Montego Bay.